Portland, we're a pretty big used car dealer. We do all makes, all models. With kind of maintenance going away a little bit, we need to write more tickets, we need to write more ROs to survive. So we need every car to come in here. One of the big concerns when we brought Mighty into the dealership and being a Mighty franchisee as a dealer was how our factories, our manufacturers relate. We have Honda and Nissan and Kia and Subaru. How would they feel? And we actually showed them it doesn't replace the OEM part, it's a supplement to the OEM parts. We still use OEM on the Hondas that are a Honda store, Subaru or a Subaru store. But when a Chevy rolls in there, okay, it is a superior part than even buying a Chevy part. The fit was, if you do all makes, all models, and you do your used cars, you want quality parts in them. It made, again, perfect sense for the Mighty marriage with the Canna.